So let's just come down, turn the bell over. Make sure you got the balance. You want to make sure you get the balance and make sure you're holding your abs, brace and everything so you get that nice, that makes the perfect hold basically, so you can balance and you work these muscles. So hold them tight, otherwise it's just gonna sag. You don't want anything to sag. So you're making sure you got it nice and stable, bringing your legs up, making sure everything's braced, and then you just hold for 20, 30, 60, how many seconds you can. Making sure everything is braced. It's brilliant. Some more. And just come down. Okay, so just remember you can always do a regular plank, or if it's more stable for you, hold on to the whole bell. That's absolutely fine. Still working, just make sure everything's nice and placed. It's brilliant.